It is fun. As we continue learning, keep revising. This is A. Eggs in the pan. A. E. O. A. 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 E. O. A. A vowel in every word. In every word there is a vowel. We have our vowels up here, and we talked of these as consonant sounds. These talk loudly and these do not talk loudly. So today we want to talk about initial blends. Initial, they are the beginning sounds. They are two sounds. We have B and R. We shall say burr. We have B and R. They say burr. We have S and T. They say st. We have to say it faster. S and T. St. D, R, D, K, R, K, F, R, F, T, R, T. Yes. So let's read this. Our choo-choo train has the initial blends. Initial blends help us in reading longer words and reading them faster. So let's read this. St. We are going to go fast. St. D. R. We go fast. D. K. R. We go. K. S. L. S. So if I want to write drum, I will say dr, d, and r. We say dr, drum. So I will say the initial sounds faster. Dr, What am I saying? Drum. Okay, I am going to say st, 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 eek. What am I saying? Stick. So let me use this. Cur, cur, os. What am I saying? Cross. Sl, sleep. What am I saying? Sleep. So we have other initial blends as we go on. They help us to read fast. Let's read it one more time. St, st, d, r, d, k, r, k, s, s. So we go st, d, k, s, and many more others. Please visit our app. It is interesting. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.